How to recover our Instagram account without email or phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can recover your Instagram account without your email address or your phone number. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to recover your Instagram account without your email and phone number, of course we don't have access to any of these. So we're going to first of all open up Instagram. And then we're going to go to the login page by tapping on the login screen. But we don't remember our password or anything. So we're going to go to get help with logging in over here. Now first of all, we have to enter the username of the account that we are trying to recover over here. So let me also just go ahead and then enter the username of the account that I have been trying to recover, and then I'll just tap on the next option. Once I tap on next, it will ask me to send an email or send an SMS. But the problem here is that I don't have access to any of these, right? So in this case, what I will do is I'll just choose the option called can't reset your password. Once I choose the option called cannot reset your password, it'll ask me a way to recover my Instagram account. So I can recover with email over here, or I can actually recover with phone number over here, but I don't have access to any of these. So I'll just go ahead and just tap on the option called try another way from the very bottom of the screen. It will give you a different type of reason as to why you cannot get back into your Instagram account. In this case, I'll just select the login code was sent to a mobile number or email address that I don't have access to. You can select any other options, and I'll just hit the next option. So it will just say me, do you have a one photo of yourself in the account? So you can actually select yes, take a selfie video to confirm my account, or no, I do not have photo in myself right now. So all you need is that this is actually going to verify the person that they're going to take a selfie with versus the person in the profile. So if you select the yes option over here, it'll ask you to tap on next and then confirm the email address that you want to use right over here. So first of all, let me also just go ahead and enter the email address. Now this doesn't need to be an Instagram email address, just make sure it is any email address that Instagram can use to contact you afterwards, and then just hit the submit button again. Now after you do that, they're basically going to ask you to verify with your real face. So after that, just go ahead and verify the code as well. Let me also just go ahead and verify the verification code. This is just in order to verify that the person trying to actually go ahead and then actually request the verification is the owner himself. But as I said earlier, this doesn't have to be the email that was associated with your, it can just be any email address right over here. And then once you verify the code with your email address over here, you should be able to go ahead and then take a selfie verification, and then after Instagram verifies it, you will get access back into your account without your email or without your phone number. And this is how you can recover your Instagram account without email or phone number. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.